hoping to go to Beavertail later today, but I'm here at the Narragansett URI Bay campus. We were walking the dog earlier, and boy, the waves are really big here. Today's date is 1/10/24. I'm sure the waves are really big at Beavertail over there. You can't see it with the fog. Wind we had last night and early this morning, gusts reached 86 miles an hour in Block Island. 86. There were some bigger ones this morning here. About half an hour ago, we were walking the dog. Give it a few minutes. I remembered last December 19th, I was videotaping Beavertail, the main lighthouse, and I was talking with that guy. He told me he was born in 1967. You know what I wish I did? If he told me what day his birthday was, I would have told him what was #1 on the pop charts. Okay, here's some waves. Oh yes. Wow. Boy, I can smell the salt water up here. Say he was born July 2nd, 1967. I would have told him the #1 song that week was Windy by the Association. And #2 was my all-time favorite #1 song, Groovin' by the Young Rascals. Of course, windy. Was it windy overnight? Boy, was it. Talking about Tom Brady, too, in that video. Famous football player. He was born 77. Okay, I'm putting the screen back on. Tom Brady, 8277 born, 8577. They audio taped a big T-storm. Went very close by lightning strike. crash of thunder instantaneously. It sounded like that, yes. 8577. Nice, nice, nice. See beaver tails way over there. I hope I can get there this morning. We'll see. I'm sure the waves are monsters there right now. Just have to worry about the causeway to and fro there. I got some waves here. That's what I like. Can't see beaver tail too well because it's foggy, but I'm sure the waves are monsters up there with little white caps and everything. Somebody else is here besides me, Natch. Where I go, they go. Taking off. Remember this date in 1971, 1/10/71. I was in New York City at the Radio City Music Hall. First of the two times I was there. Went to see a stage show, which had a beautiful fast car ride on the screen. And boy, you should have seen me. I was like a fried turnip when I saw that. That was awesome, man. And then we saw the movie Scrooge. I think it was by Albert Finney. On this date, exactly 53 years ago, 1/10/71. Boy, all right. Just take a little walking tour without shaking the picture. Okay, the Bonnet Shores over there. One more set of big waves, I'll probably call it. Okay, I see them. I'll stop videoing, then they show up. Yeah, okay, I see some. Okay, hopefully this will be a good one. Got more here. Nice. Don't get my camera wet now. My good T-Storm buddies, Tom, Paul, Billy, Scott, Jason. Hopefully I got more for you. Turn the screen back on. See see if we get this one, please. I had videotaped here a couple of times before, almost 2 years ago actually. Yeah, I remember. Alright. Walking around erratically, just trying to get something. Okay, I'm 11 minutes in the videoing. Yeah, boy, I checked the weight caps over there. See if I can get this one. If I can catch it braking though. Thunder. Yeah. About another 3 or 4 more minutes, see how we do here. Okay, let's see how we do here. Boy, that's a clap of thunder. Wow. All right. Boy. Okay, I got one here, I think. Okay, see how we do with these, please. Oh my, nice thunderclaps. Okay, this one. Alright. Let's say I got some pretty good stuff here. Alright, that's good for now.